Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to buy something on Etsy without creating an account? Etsy allows guest checkout, letting you complete your purchase quickly without signing up. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to check out as a guest on Etsy in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, when guest checkout is available, so you can check out as a guest if item supports Etsy payments, seller allows guest purchases, product is physical in most cases. If unavailable, Etsy will ask you to sign in, okay? So first thing, add item to cart, okay? So open Etsy, choose the product you want, okay? For example, any product, and click add to charts, okay? And items appears in your shopping charts, okay? So then go to checkout, okay? Select or click cart, top right, okay? Select proceed to checkout and checkout page opens, okay? So choose continue as a guest, okay? On the sign in screen, click continue as a guest. Do not sign in or register. Fill in full name, shipping address, email address, phone number if required. Email will receive order updates, okay? And then choose payments method, okay? Credit or debit card, PayPal, if available, Apple Pay or Google Pay, okay? Region depends on regions, and then confirm the payment, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.